Perched where the coast meets the horizon, the home stands as a thoughtful response to the evolving needs of an intergenerational family. Rather than forcing a singular, rigid structure, the design embraces a fluid approach that allows life to unfold effortlessly across stacked living levels. It is a structure engineered for both solitude and celebration, giving its owners a private sanctuary while remaining entirely hospitable to visiting relatives. The architecture is born from a holistic philosophy, where the boundary between the external landscape and the interior world is intentionally blurred. By utilizing a refined material palette, the dwelling establishes itself not as an imposition on the beachfront, but as an extension of it. The resulting atmosphere is one of oasis living, a coastal retreat where the rush of the modern world slows down to match the rhythm of the tides. At the core of the design is an appreciation for the ordinary moments of daily life. The layout does not just accommodate routine. It enhances the mundaneness of everyday living through a highly sensible structural approach. Two distinct forms are built directly on top of one another, creating a deliberate separation of spaces that can adapt to who is currently occupying the home. Linking these two stacked forms is an external staircase, which serves as both a literal and symbolic bridge within the property. This feature grants the primary users the freedom to live completely independently on their own level, or conversely, to entirely shut down one half of the house when family members are away. It is an intuitive nod to energy efficiency and spatial comfort, ensuring the home never feels uncomfortably vast when only two people are present. When the entire family gathers, the home seamlessly transforms into an expansive venue for entertaining, balanced by an inner atmosphere that retains a quiet, retreat-like quality. The connection to the immediate surroundings is a constant presence, anchoring every room to the shifting coastal light. It represents a masterclass in modern beachfront living, where luxury is defined by space, light, and ease of movement. Stepping outside onto the level of the primary living space, a lap pool stretches out toward the western side of the property. Positioned with intention, it centers around an established, historic banksia tree that lends a sense of deep-rooted permanence to the new structure. As the owners swim laps, they are treated to an expanding vista, watching the pool water seemingly merge with the landscape and the vast ocean beyond. Beneath this primary level lies a self-contained haven designed specifically to welcome guests without disrupting the rhythm of the upper floor. This lower level is equipped with an additional living space and a functional kitchenette, offering visitors their own sense of autonomy. Accompanied by 3 separate bedrooms, it ensures that hosting large family gatherings remains an effortless, joyful experience. Further down toward the water's edge, history and modernity shake hands where an existing 1950s boat shed once stood. Well-art architects carefully rebuilt and remodeled the structure, strictly honoring the footprint and dimensions of the original mid-century icon, now acting as a miniature counterpart to the main residence. The boat shed offers an intimate, detached respite where one can sit quietly and look out over the breaking waves. The transition from the architecture to the wild coast is mediated by a thoughtfully curated landscape. An easy, inviting garden path winds its way down from a house, leading residents through a native coastal garden designed by Fiona Brockhoff Design before opening up directly onto the sand. The home's timber exterior and rendered retaining walls work in tandem, creating a unique architectural character that complements the rugged beachfront terrain rather than competing with it. The exterior itself is wrapped in timber batten screens, a functional choice that doubles as a dynamic art installation. When the owners are away, these screens secure the home, shutting it down safely against the coastal elements. When open, they invite a shifting shadow play across the surfaces that evolves beautifully as the sun moves across the sky. Inside, blackbutt timber, raw stone, concrete, and custom cabinetry finished in soft silver grays and muted greens establish a quiet backdrop, intentionally stepping back to let the magnificent ocean views take center stage. Ultimately, the home stands as a permanent fixture on the shoreline, communicating a profound love for coastal living and a desire to foster deep social connections within a natural paradise.